whole movement and the hands.
Okay, today I'm going to change a battery in a Oakley Transfer Case. I'm going to leave the band on because this watch is from a collector and so it's in really good condition, so no dirt will fall in the back of the watch. Okay, what you have to do is release the battery. You do that by just pushing this little lever here, but be careful of the coil because you don't want to scratch it. So just push that across and pop out. I'm going to test the battery, so plastic tweezers or brass. Just put that on 1.5 and it's flat. So the transfer case takes a 920 SW or a 371 battery. Okay, again use the plastic tweezers to grab the battery. I'll put a date on mine so I know how long it's been in there if it comes back. Okay, again, just make sure that you don't slip and scratch the coil again. I've got Rodico, so just put a fingerprint on that, so get rid of that fingerprint. Also, I'll change the back seal gasket. And that's what the transfer case takes. So just put some silicone on that. Sometimes they don't quite fit, so just give it a little bit of a stretch. And then it should fit in. See, I also take the stem and crown out. So with the transfer case, doesn't actually have a seal that goes inside the case pipe. So what I do is just silicone that there. Yeah, so there's no seal in the case pipe, so I just put a little bit around there as well. Push it back in, but when you push it in, give it a twist so it can clip in properly. And then just test it, make sure it's all clipped in. That's okay. Put that back in. There we go, should be going, and it is. Okay, here's the movement that goes in the Oakley Transfer Case. It's a Ronda 513 and they have different heights, so with the hands you'll have to measure the whole movement and the hands. And it is 4.8. That's the the overall height. Also, if you're fitting battery, sometimes these can have battery acid on them if the battery's leaked. So what you can do is get a bit of paper. You don't want to touch that if it's got battery acid on it. So yeah, just put it on there, give it a rub. Try and turn it over, do the other side as well. That should get the battery acid off that little protector. Just pop it back in.